These are my favorite treats for dogs, and it was a free sample by Legit Pet. So it is salmon and omega-3 chews for my dog. I check here the weight, and he's about, I have to give him 2 chews. This is how they look inside. So all I have to do is feed him. Max?
Don't worry, we'll cut that part.
Max. So all I have to do is give him the chews, and he loves it. It's not recommended for other animals besides dogs. And I like it because it has good benefits for the animals. I also enjoy it because, as you can see, my dog is very happy eating the chews, and the omega-3 is good for the skin, is good for the joints. I also can treat it as like treats, rewarding treats after he does something good. So I hope you enjoy my review, and I hope you check them out. Thank you for watching.